In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit paid bills on Xero in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or simply need a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have the confidence to make changes as needed without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to visit the Xero accounting software website where you'll begin by logging in. As always, entering your email and password is crucial to accessing your account. Once you've input your details, hit that login button and you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, ready to take the next steps. Now that you're on the Xero dashboard, you'll want to locate the Business tab in the main navigation bar. Give that a click, then head over to Bills to Pay. This is where you manage all your outstanding and paid bills. From here, switch to the Paid section by clicking on Paid so you can see all the bills you've previously marked as settled. Next up, choose a bill that you wish to edit. Each bill listed here represents a transaction you've already completed, but perhaps you need to make some tweaks. Once you've selected the appropriate bill, look for the Bill Options button. Clicking on this will reveal an Edit option for you to select. At this point, you might notice that not every detail of the bill is editable. Xero allows changes to the From, Date, Reference, and Region fields. However, sometimes more extensive editing is necessary. If that's the case, look for the Less Payment link within your bill. Clicking this will allow you to adjust the payment linking itself, which is the trick for proceeding to a full edit of the bill. To fully edit the bill, click on the Options menu next to the Payment section and select Remove and Redo. Essentially, this action unlinks the payment from that bill temporarily, giving you the ability to go back to the Bill Options menu and choose Edit one more time. This time, all fields will be available for editing, allowing a comprehensive update on the details. After making your changes, don't forget the final critical step, selecting Update. This saves all your modifications and ensures your records reflect the corrected transaction. Following these steps can streamline your bookkeeping process, making sure everything on Xero runs as smoothly as possible. Remember, accurate records are key to effective financial management, and with Xero you can manage paid bills with precision. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing on Xero.